why Utah is awesome.
My wife and I have lived in many places before, all of them of which did not have mountains or nature nearby. Our last place, in Iowa, was as flat as they come. So naturally, the mountains were calling us. After visiting Salt Lake City on a trip to take care of our friend's dog, we fell in love. The city is surrounded by huge, towering mountains that smile at you from a near distance. We knew we found our new home on that trip. As you may have guessed, the reason why living in Salt Lake is so amazing is because you can just go camping almost at any moment. There's so many different places to go and different types of environments where you have forest, you have desert, sand dunes, there's a lot of stuff, and that's all within a 2-hour drive from Salt Lake itself. So that's what we're doing today. And I never not go anywhere without my motorcycle because that's my girlfriend.
Excuse me.
There's something about the mountains and nature. It's like hitting the reset button. Whenever I'm stressed from work or life in general, the first place I want to run to are the mountains. They seem to know how to relieve the stress in me. The journey to find a campsite is not only stimulating and fun, it's also an exhilarating process because it's about finding my new temporary home. Many times when I go camping, there is no cell phone service. I can finally relieve myself from the distractions of the internet. Instead, I focus on the small things in life, like finding firewood, cooking and cleaning, or just watching nature do its thing from my chair. It slows life down and helps me live in the moment. This is living for me. After setting up camp, Ava and I like to chill and enjoy the scenery. We settle into our temporary home and just live in the moment.
Yep. That's a big animal. So we're actually in bear country right now. Seeing that skeleton does make me a little scared. I don't know if it's from a bear or from what, but it definitely makes me want to be on the lookout. We do have bear spray and stuff, but whenever you're out in the wild, that is something you have to worry about. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted the rooftop tent, was it'll just keep us a bit safer since we'll be off the ground. But yeah, definitely gonna have to keep our eyes peeled.
One of my favorite forms of transportation is the motorcycle, and I specifically love to travel off-road with my bike. Utah is a mecca for off-road riding. When I lived in upstate New York, you'd be hard-pressed to find legal places to ride. Luckily, Utah has more than enough to keep an off-road enthusiast happy. Whenever I go camping, I need to bring my bike. It's my favorite form of having an extra set of legs where I can go explore the area and have an adventure within an adventure.
I feel bad. Me being here scared off the ground squirrel. She loves to take photos of nature while we're out here.
Ava and I have an amazing balance when it comes to life and camping. I love that I can go ride off into the wild on my iron steed, and she finds some beautiful creatures to admire. We can enjoy some of our own time while still being together in this beautiful natural environment. We are very lucky. After a nice ride for me and a healthy amount of nature photos for Ava, it was time for some dinner. We very much enjoy the process of cooking, and it seems we eat healthier when we're outdoors. Maybe it's because the natural lifestyle reflects on our human psyche, or because we just are happy. Either way, we enjoy being able to cook together in such a beautiful setting. Living in Utah makes it a breeze to go on these adventures, where we can find a completely new landscape and enjoy our surroundings together.
Can't see. Oh, that's perfect.
You like this?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Oh, it's like butter.
Okay, Mom.
Oh my god. Doesn't get any better than this.
I don't know what it is, but I love collecting firewood. It gives me an opportunity to explore the surrounding area a little further, as well as relax my brain. It must release some sort of endorphins for me because it's a soothing process that can be labor intensive, but for some reason it's just a lot of fun. You can't really go camping without a fire after all.
Let me show you something that assholes like to do. This is our second time camping in 2 weeks, and I don't know why people can't clean up after themselves. Why? Why?
I think it's very important to take care of the places we live in. There's been trash at every campsite we've encountered recently, and it's extremely sad to see. Pack out what you pack in. Should be a simple idea. I've become a garbage man of the previous settlers, but I'll admit, it does feel good to see it cleaned up afterwards. So, I won't be stopping this anytime soon. Morning. Slept pretty well. It's the first time in a while sleeping next to a stream. So we heard that the whole night, and it just sounded like white noise, which is fine. And throughout the night, we also heard this like slap padunk, and I'm pretty sure it's the beavers building their dam. I'm not sure if they're nocturnal or not, but it definitely sounded like beavers were getting to work. It's a gorgeous morning, and it's pretty cold, but the air is fresh. It's beautiful. It's a great day to be alive. Salt Lake City is growing at a rapid pace. Huge tech companies are moving on in, along with many Californians. I know that Ava and I are part of the problem for making it expand, but it is an inevitable set of events that is going to happen with or without us. It's clear as to why it's had such a huge influx of people coming in, and I think it's the same reason for us coming. The easy access to all the fun outdoor activities. It's an absolutely gorgeous place to live, where the people are quite nice. We are very happy